just watch the right arm from Bottle comes up once he steps up. Yeah, and he just catches him.
Nice ball. Rodwell. Arteta.
E.ON, bringing families and football together.
On your head. Yes, get it. Good job, lad.
Another refreshing little lift from Tic Tac Freshman.
I used to lash out if somebody pushed my buttons or...
2 minutes of the Merseyside Cup Derby replay to go, and he comes up with a masterstroke. The finish of a seasoned veteran. A special goal for Dan Gosling. Liverpool are very unhappy about something. Pepe Reina's come out to take issue with somebody, but nothing's going to bother Dan Gosling. Nothing can spoil his night.
Well, it seemed to take forever.